Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here. So the T-Mobile REVVL 2 and 2 Plus are here. Now, if you're wondering what phones these are, they are exclusive to T-Mobile customers and come at a price that you just can't beat. Especially when you can get the REVVL 2 right now for free when you add a line, or the REVVL 2 Plus for just $84 when you add a line. But even at their regular price, it is still a deal, with the regular REVVL 2 costing only $168 and the Plus model costing $252. As smartphone prices are getting higher, the new T-Mobile REVVL 2 line is giving buyers great features and specs in a phone with an industry-leading 2-year warranty included. Now that's pretty great if you ask me. So let's go over some of the specs for these devices. The REVVL 2 comes with a 5.5-inch 18:9 aspect ratio HD display. You got a 13 megapixel single rear camera and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. It also comes with a respectable 3000 milliamp battery that should get you through most of your day. It's got 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage with expandable memory with up to 128 gigabytes. It is running Android 8.1 Oreo, and it comes in a color called mirror black with a nice accent magenta button that actually looks pretty nice if you ask me. Now the Plus model, we get a 6-inch 18:9 aspect ratio full HD plus display. You get a dual camera setup in the back with a 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Now it also comes with a nice big 4000 milliamp battery that should get you through a full day of use. It comes with 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, again with expandable memory with up to 128 gigabytes. This one is also running Android 8.1 Oreo, and it comes in the same mirror black color as well. Now both devices do come with facial recognition and a fingerprint sensor on the back, and in my opinion they also have a nice premium look to them. I mean, for the price these are going for, you really just can't complain. They might not have the best of the best top of the line specs out there compared to other high-end devices, but when you talk about getting a whole lot more than what you are actually paying for, this is it right here. And not only that, but these devices also get T-Mobile's extended range LTE at 600 megahertz. Now these will be available November 16th nationwide and online. So if you are a T-Mobile customer or are planning on switching to T-Mobile and not looking to spend too much on a phone and want the best bang for your buck, give these devices a look at and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you leave this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.